Hello everyone, in front of me is HTC U23 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then go to security and choose fingerprint. Now you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. I will go with pattern, so draw the unlock pattern that you want to use, select next, re-enter it, tap on confirm. And now it's time to manage your notification content. Once you pick the preferred option, tap on done, and now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. So as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just keep tapping. Keep tapping until it's fully added. Do it this way, it would be most convenient way to apply it. Click on done then, and as you can see, it has been applied. From now on, smoothly by tapping, you can unlock your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.